Hey Class FitSugar, it's me, Jane Wells, and I'm back again with a full body strength workout. I'm here with Michaela.
Hey, hey.
And Kenzie.
Oh, hi there.
And we're gonna give you that full body 10-minute strength workout. We're gonna hit all the muscle groups and get nice and sweaty. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Hey. All right, team, let's start with the warm-up side shuffle on your mat. There we go. Keep an eye out for Kenzie. She's gonna be doing the modifications with us.
Let's do it.
Come on, mods. And me and Michaela are gonna do the standard versions for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's take it into a jumping jack in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Yeah. Okay, we got our steps in sync. Hey,
Feeling warm.
it's already warm in here.
Are we 5 minutes in?
Just about. All right, let's bring the feet underneath the hips, take it down in a squat. Here we go. And squeeze. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Woo. We wanna make sure we're warmed up before we hit those heavy weights. That way the muscles are revved up to perform. And let's go ahead, make our way to our weights. Your first exercise will be a single leg deadlift, alternating. Weight stays close to the body. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Kenzie, you go with the mods?
You got it.
Woo! Now it takes a little bit of balance. Make sure you're moving nice and slow. Slow and steady wins the race.
Whew. The booty.
Ooh! Nice work. So really important as you're moving through, you keep your whole foot on the ground. Make sure you're cueing correctly through the heel, squeezing the glutes. Hips are coming back again. And nice, good pull through. We got 5 seconds here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Quick 15-second break. We're gonna do lateral lunges, alternating each side. Sending the hips back. One leg long, one leg bent in 3, 2, and 1 to the right. Whew. Yes.
I love this as a hip opener.
Come on, you gotta open the hips.
I love it as a leg burnout.
Okay. All right. And make sure you keep that core protected. Nice long spine. Hips go back. Feels like I'm writing a poem.
Oh,
Hey.
you're an excellent poet.
Thank you. Didn't even know it. Hey.
Oh, isn't that the power of exercise?
There we go. We got about 12 seconds. See if we can squeeze in 4 more. Oh. I should have said 2. 2 more.
One would have been fine, you know?
And last one. Now we're gonna go into a crossbody curls, shoulders back and down, crossing the body. Let's go. Woo. There we go.
Where'd they get their name?
All right, very important here. You're gonna keep the elbows pinned to the side, shoulders down. We're still engaging the core and the glutes, full body. How you doing, Michaela?
Slight bend in the knees, that's the secret.
Hey, the secret manifested. Okay. Woo. Now make sure you work at a tempo that works for you. We like to move in sync when we can, but I want you to move at a safe pace that works for yourself. And rest. Now we're working with that hinge. I'm gonna target the back. Send the hips back, elbows wide row. There we go, let's go. Now don't give me Beyonce single ladies, okay?
Oh, man.
I know, we wanna keep nice and tight in the torso, squeezing that back. Maybe we have a little bit of hold. How you doing, Kenzie?
Oh, I'm hanging in.
Come on, hang it in, don't let go. Don't let go. How you doing, Michaela?
Upper body is my jam.
There we go. I see those back muscles twitching back there. All right, y'all, 10 seconds. How many more can you do? I'm gonna join you here. I'm gonna do 2 more. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna superset in the back, come down to tabletop rows. So, spine protected through the core, tuck the tail, same concept. Maybe we add a little bit of hold. Let's go, here we go. Yes.
Back on fire.
Okay. Woo. That sound. It's the sound of hard work.
It's the sound of a fresh mat.
There we go. I hope you're engaging that core at home. We're right here with you. We got about 15 seconds.
Whew.
Whew. That's a long 15.
Time just flies when you're working back.
Woo! All right, let's do one more each side and last one. Nice work, team. Now we're gonna face you. I want one knee on the floor. Keep the ribs down, half kneeling press, working the shoulders. Kenzie can hit it with one weight if she needs to. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Nice work, team. So here, remember, it's full body. What tends to happen as we get into our opening up the ribs, don't do that. Keep nice and tight here. Yeah, don't do that.
Okay,
Hey.
sassy, but it's wrong.
Make it sassy, save that for Friday night. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Grab my drink here with that modification. Still working the shoulder.
Still feeling it.
Maybe you alternate. There we go. Let's see how our team's doing. How you doing, team?
We getting it.
There we go. Look at that control up and down through space. Even that single arm.
Whew.
There we go. And recover. We're back up into the legs. Last 5 minutes, 4 minutes. I can't count.
What's time?
Right leg back. We're gonna stay in this position, just drop down to the floor in 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Now halfway through, we will switch sides. Whew.
It's halfway yet?
I know, I was just thinking that. All right. Whew. Let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. Switch legs. Same form, just different leg behind. Let's go. Now it's a good way to check in, see where your weight is in your foot, in the heel, big toe down and pinky toe. To engage the entire foot. Squeeze the bum.
Oh yeah.
Squeeze the core. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're coming back down to our mat. Half kneeling tricep extensions. As you extend, squeeze the back of the arm, shoulders are down, ribs are closed. Let's face our friends at home. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Weights together. How you doing on that mod?
Oh, living the dream.
There we go. So even one weight is very effective. Or you can try alternating one at a time if you still want to stick to 2 weights. Woo!
Oh, there's that burn.
There we go. There we go, team. Woo!
Love a tricep.
You gotta get the back of the arms. We got 15 seconds here.
I love the stabilization through the core.
Yes. We love
All
a
the
good
things.
stable core.
Hey. It's my favorite kind of core.
And recover. 15-second transition. We are going on our mat for some push-ups, okay? So, modification on the knees. Perhaps you try a negative on the knees and then toes up, okay? Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to go down, exhale to come up.
I love having the modification on this one. I don't think there is modification for push-ups.
Yes, it's still very challenging regardless. Make sure you're squeezing the glutes so you can call upon the legs as well, not just relying on the chest. Woo.
How many did you say was left?
We got 15 seconds.
I think you're wrong on your timing.
You got this, y'all. Let's go for 2 more. And last one, inhale, go down. Exhale, push away. Nice work, team.
I miss those.
Oh my. One more exercise. We're gonna be working our core. Grab one of your weights, toes out wide, little sumo action. Kenzie will be hands up, Mickey Mouse.
Oh,
and
hey.
we're gonna squeeze that oblique and just alternate for your last minute of work. Woo.
Never mind, I'll take the push-ups back.
I don't know. I feel like this is a nice active recovery.
Woo. So mind to muscle connection, make sure you're squeezing. We're not just going, hey, Macarena, okay?
Again, that's kind of what
Even
I
though
was
that's
counting on.
fun.
It's cute.
We got about 15 seconds left. Really call upon those obliques. Hey, we're breathing hard, working hard. Hope you're having fun at home. We got 5 seconds. Let's go 2 more. And last one. Woo! Nice work, team. Thank you, Kenzie. And thank you, Michaela, for helping me out. I hope you enjoyed this full body 10-minute strength workout. I encourage you to do it 3 times, so rewind it, get it over and over and over again, okay? That's how you measure strength. We practice and repeat. Y'all have a great day. See you next time.
You guys got it.
Class FitSugar. Hey, 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 thank you. You, and you, and you. Hey, 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 hey.